Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Writing Talks, and today I'm going to show you teaching aids on layers of atmosphere. For that you just need a cardboard and some chart paper. Then just wrap the cardboard and make this type of circle. Like first one is Earth, paste the image of Earth on that. Next is troposphere, paste the little characteristical photos of the troposphere. Next stratosphere like aeroplane, and the main means distance of that stratosphere 12 to 50 kilometers, 0 to 12 kilometer. Next mesosphere 50 to 80 kilometer with some pictures of asteroids. Next we are having thermosphere with 80 to 400 kilometer. Auras and satellites are there in this picture. Exosphere 400 to 1000 kilometer. And in between of the each layer there are the pause layer like thermopause, mesopause, stratopause, tropopause, and you can also add some more characteristics in it and make your teaching more attractive. I hope you enjoyed it and you will use it in your class. Thank you.